Yesterday I shared about the masterpiece, the great sculptor and the artist, the Michelangelo created the statue of David, which is in Florence, which attracts millions of tourists every year. Ladies and gentlemen, even the iPhone, which I hold in my hand, is a masterpiece created by Steve Jobs. It goes on improving. iPhone 10 to 11, 13, 14, I don't know where it will end up. But it's a masterpiece indeed, but we only use probably 30% of the features of these many possibilities electronic gadget in our hands. But awesomely, when you look at our body, it's a organism, it's not an organization. It's a glorious masterpiece in compared to the trees and the insects and the animals. Yesterday, I watched a program in NHK about giving power to the tongue in our mouth. And it's a scientific and medical exposition and showcase when you stretch your hamstring, it gives power to your tongue. And it showcases a man who was not able to even open his mouth and eat, fed by the tubes. When the hamstring exercises were done, not only he was able to eat but also talk. Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, the good old book, and there is a book of Proverbs in that written, many of them are written by King Solomon, the second king of Israel. There is a wonderful Proverbs which says very clearly, the heart of the wise teacheth its tongue, and added learning to the lips. That showcase very clearly the kind of synchronization, interdependency, reliance of each of the organs of our human body. The heart plays a major role in blood circulation to every part of our body. There are 600 muscles, 206 bones, 248 organs. And the heart takes the enormous pressure and the responsibility of transporting blood to all the organs, the muscles and the bones, and including the atoms, molecules and cells of our body. If by slightly stretching your hamstring can give power to your tongue to do bigger things, just imagine many other parts of the body which you are not properly using. And as a result of that, sometimes some areas of our body may be redundant as a result of we are not doing the necessary stretching and the exercises. It is so important for us to go to the maximum possibilities in every area of our physical body. Here, the proverb I said, the heart of the wise teaches the mouth or the tongue, and added learning to the lips. So that's see the collaboration and the combination and the integration, not only in the area of physically, mentally, even spiritually. That's where we need to stretch out physically, mentally, even spiritually, to make sure there is power not only to our tongue, to our lips, and every part of our body, and all the 248 organs, 600 muscles, 206 bones can be empowered on our own if we really begin to move and stretch out, not only physically, mentally, and even spiritually. Then we would be strong and power to do things which we never able to do before.